Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Matagal din before nakabalik ang Lola Miray dito sa park Maguinao. But masikat ang araw, as you can see. Tcharan! Actually, last night I was here with Lolo, with Dad, and we enjoy walking in this place na sobrang na-miss ng Lola. It's been a long while actually since I came here. Well, nagbakasyon tayo sa Pilipinas last December, and before that, ulan ng ulan. So, I was not able to come here for around a few weeks. And then, nagbakasyon tayo sa Pinas. And spent almost 3 weeks there. Oh, no. More than 2 weeks. And then, bumalik tayo dito for New Year. And something happened that we went back to the Philippines last month, January. Umalis na ang tatay, although we expect na one day mangyayari yon, but what we didn't expect, yung aalis siya agad ng beginning of this year. I believe that no matter how old or how young, no matter gaano ang edad ng bawat tao, nobody will be really prepared. Be prepared sa paglisan ng mahal sa buhay. And that happened to tatay unexpectedly. Umalis siya ng mabilis. Well, my prayers were always, sana hindi mahirapan ng tatay namin. And God is faithful. God fulfilled, answered our prayers. Isang gabi, ayaw na lang niyang kumain. And the next morning, di na siya gumising. Although we brought him to the hospital, but yun nga, tatay passed away after 5 days. Yeah, and I believe na hindi siya gaano nahirapan. Hindi nahirapan ang tatay namin. And that is one good thing na sa kanyang katandaan, he was 90 and almost 91. Supposed to be 91 this next month, March, but hindi na niya inabot yung kanyang birthday. Bago ako umalis, we planned, and I told him na on your 91st birthday, I will come back again and we will spend your birthday sa swimming tayo, magre-rent tayo sa resort. But it didn't happen that way. Sarap dito sa park actually. Gusto lang ng lola na sometimes spend my time here in the morning doing some walking, stretching, exercising. But then again, may mga times na hindi talaga tayo nakakapunta. Daming tao dito, especially this time of the year na malamig, masarap mag-workout. So, in a few minutes, we will join our senior ladies and join in their morning exercise. So, mga lola, let's go. Samahan ng Lola Miray at before I forget, shout out to Alexa. Hi Alexa, I know I promised to you a long time ago that I will greet you and I will make a shout out to you. So, and Ken, hi Ken, I hope that you are fine, doing well in your school, in your studies, and I hope na when I come back again in the Philippines, see you there. So rest break ng aming exercises. Actually, I have just finished the 15 minutes stretching, and after this we will do the tapping, and then after the tapping we will do the main exercise. So I still have around 1 hour to do, or 45 minutes to do the exercise for the whole exercise session. Naninibago ang Lola Miray, medyo mahirap, but I will do the things that I love to do. So sana samahan niyo muli ang Lola Miray. Now it's 10 minutes before 9 AM and hindi na tinapos ng Lola Miray ang senior ladies exercise for today. Naka 1 hour din tayo. There's still 15 minutes more, pero I feel tired na. Nanibago yata ang mga kasukasuan ng Lola. Anyway, as I said, 2025, at the beginning of 2025, there's sudden change in Lola Miray's life. Ayun nga ang paglisan ng aming tatay. There are lots of adjustments, changes that needs to be used to. Pero ganun talaga yung life. Alam naman natin na everyone, no exemption, darating sa punto na alis. We are just transient travelers in this world. So mga lola, mga lala, magpalakas ng katawan, mag-inut-inut, mag-exercise. Although I failed on that sometimes for the past 2 or 3 months, hindi tayo regularly nakakapag-exercise, and there are lots of things that happen that we need to attend to. So ang Lola Miray is super busy, and I also traveled in Vietnam last week, 2 weeks ago, and it's a good experience, breathing fresh air from different situation, different environment, and it helps a lot. So mga lola, hanggang dito na lamang natin i-end ang ating video for today, and hoping na muli niyo sasamahan ang Lola Miray sa ating mga susunod pang video. So hanggang sa muli, ingat-ingat everyone. Thank you very much sa patuloy niyong pagsama sa Lola Miray. So bye for now. Take care and God bless everyone.